Today, I'm going to review 2 donuts what I bought at Glazed Donut Cafe in the Vleerdal Center in Bloemfontein, where the Checkers Hyper is also situated. The first one is a milk tart donut. Just look at it. It looks very nice, I must say. Oliver Tyson always say, so let's taste what it tastes like. Actually, very nice. The taste of the milk tart, it's really very nice. I rate that an 8.2 out of 10. And then also the caramel mint donut. I paid 12 rand for the caramel mint, 18 rand for the milk tart donut. So as I always say, all in the taste. Let's taste what it tastes like. Also not bad. The mint taste is a bit strong for me. So I'll only give it an 8 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.